Python, check whether a word is spelled correctly. I'm looking for an easy way to check whether a certain string is a correctly spelled English word. For example, look would return true while her would return false. I don't need spelling suggestions or any spelling correcting features. Just a simple function that takes a string and returns a Boolean value.
Two possible ways of doing it. Have your own file which has all the valid words. Load the file into a set and compare each word to see whether it exists in it. Word insert the better way. Use PyEnchant, a spell checking library for Python. PyEnchant is not actively maintained now.
I was looking for the same functionality and struggled to find an existing library that works in Windows 64-bit. PyEnchant, although a great library, isn't currently active and doesn't work in 64-bit. Other libraries I found didn't work in Windows. I finally found a solution that I hope others will find valuable. The solution: use NLTK. Extract the word list from nltk.corpus.brown. Convert the word list to a set for efficient searching. Use the in keyword to determine if your string is in the set. Use a timer check and you'll see this takes virtually no time to search the set. A test on 1000 words took 0.004 seconds.
I personally use this URL. It is an active project and according to the website. Spelling correction is based on Peter Norvig's How to Write a Spelling Corrector 1 as implemented in the pattern library. It is about 70% accurate.
Yahoo provides spell checking API through YQL. It's pretty simple and you get 5,000 queries/IP address/day for non-commercial use, FRE.